Hello, my name is Lillian. I am 10 years old and today I'm going to be doing the rainbow rain experiment. Hope you enjoy. So the ingredients you need for this experiment is about 4 cups, shaving foam. You should be able to get some from your dad, some food coloring, and any type of oil. So first, put some oil in one of the cups. Then add any food coloring of your choice. And then fill up one of your cups with half a cup of water. Then add some shaving foam on top of the water. Finally, add your colors onto the shaving foam. And enjoy the show. So this is going to be what it looks like. It has a bunch of different colors depending on what colors you decided to use. And it's a pretty simple experiment, so I hope you enjoyed. So our next experiment is called whisking water. So what you need for this experiment is any food coloring of your choice. You need 3 of them. You need 6 cups and about 1.5 cup of water. And of course, you need some toilet paper. So first, you want to fill 3 of those cups with about half a cup of water, and then just add some food coloring in the cups and make sure they are different colors. Make sure they are positioned in a circle, and then get some paper towels and then fold them in half. Then what you need to do is just to put the paper towels in the cup, and then make sure that the paper towels are in 2 cups so the water can spread. Do that for the other cups as well. So when you are doing this, you should be able to see that the color is spreading, and that is exactly what you wanted to do. So the color is going to be spreading really slowly, so you might have to wait a while for all of the colors to reach the cups. So this should be the final result. So basically all of the colors are just going to be spreading through the paper towels to just touch the other colors. So that's how they blend. So thank you for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this experiment.